Christy Loosedout joins me live. Good to see you, Christy. That is still ongoing, of course, but what have Hong Kong officials said so far at the briefing?
Yeah, fresh pandemic data out of Hong Kong. We have learned that the city has posted 48 new COVID-19 cases, of which 40 are locally transmitted. This follows a report on Monday of 52 new cases, of which 41 were locally transmitted. So that means 2 days in a row of around 40 new locally transmitted cases as Hong Kong goes through this third wave of coronavirus infection. And again, this is the reason why I'm reporting from home. Late last night, the chief executive, Carrie Lam, she held a press conference to announce a new series of pandemic responses, including border controls. Anyone coming into Hong Kong from a high-risk country must present proof of a negative COVID-19 test before they're allowed to board their vessel. Also, do social distancing measures. There'll be no more gatherings of more than 4 people. Also, at restaurants, no more than 4 people could be seated together. And no more dine-in services at restaurants and clubs across the territory between 6 p.m. at night and 5 a.m. in the morning. It is now compulsory to wear a mask on public transport in Hong Kong. And the city has also announced the temporary closure of amusement parks, including Hong Kong Disneyland. Disneyland will be closed for 7 days starting tomorrow. This is what Carrie Lam said last night about the new measures.
This is a time for tightening, which means that it will affect business, which means that people will become more inconvenient. So I will have to appeal to people that I fully understand they want to go to book fair, they want to go to a restaurant, they want to meet friends. But this is a time for us to put our act together in order to fight this latest re-emergence of cases.
You know, Rosemary, as you know, Hong Kong has been a strong pandemic success story. But despite near universal use of face masks and despite a population of 7.4 million that have been so responsible and have this built-in pandemic know-how because of our collective experience of SARS, of avian flu, of swine flu, and now coronavirus, we have seen this novel coronavirus infiltrate the city once again. And Hong Kong and its people have no choice but to respond once again as we try to get through this third wave. Back to you.
Yeah, and the difference too is they take it very seriously. We don't see the same response here in the United States just yet. Christy Loosedout joining us there from Hong Kong. Many thanks to you.